Here we'll figure out some rules for dividing negative numbers. But first, let's multiply a few negatives. What's 6 times negative 5 and negative 4 times negative 3? If you're not sure, click down here to review. Excellent! Multiplying a positive and a negative gives you a negative, so 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. And multiplying two negatives together gives you a positive, so negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Next, let's try some division. What's 20 divided by 4? Again, click down here if you'd like to review. Right, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. This is correct because 5 is the number you can multiply by 4 to get 20. Next, let's try dividing a negative number. What's negative 14 divided by 2? In other words, what number can you multiply by 2 to get negative 14? Nicely done! Negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. You know this is correct because it's the same thing as saying that 2 times negative 7 equals negative 14. Next, what happens if the number we're dividing by is negative? So what's 14 divided by negative 2? In other words, what number can you multiply by negative 2 to get positive 14? Exactly, this is also negative 7. And that's because negative 2 times negative 7 equals positive 14. So these two expressions are equal. It doesn't matter if the minus sign is in the first number or the second number. So instead of thinking of this as negative 14 over 2 or 14 over negative 2, you can just think of this as negative 14 over 2. So all three of these expressions equal negative 7. And the general rule here is that you can pull the minus sign out of a quotient. Negative 14 over 2 and 14 over negative 2 are both just negative 14 over 2. Try another example. Which three of these expressions down here are equal to each other? Precisely, these three expressions are all equal. It doesn't matter if the minus sign is in front of the quotient, in the first number, or in the second number. These all equal negative 6. Next, try dividing one negative number by another negative number. What's negative 24 divided by negative 8? In other words, what can you multiply by negative 8 to get negative 24? Right, negative 24 divided by negative 8 equals positive 3. In other words, negative 8 times 3 equals negative 24. In general, when you divide one negative by another negative, the minus signs cancel out. So negative 24 over negative 8 is the same as 24 over 8 without the minus signs. So keep an eye out for minus signs that you can cancel. Next, try dividing a few more negative numbers. Excellent work! So all these minus signs cancel, and here are the answers you found. So just to review, you can pull minus signs out of quotients. In other words, to evaluate 14 divided by negative 2, you can pull out the minus sign, so it's negative 14 over 2. And minus signs cancel out. So if you're dividing one negative number by another negative number, then you can cancel the minus signs and divide the positive numbers instead.